Morning, dear children. Come back to economics second chapter, that is people as resource. Today, in continuation of the chapter, we are going to see the topic economic activities by men and women. There are many people like Vilas and Sakal who have been engaged in various activities. We saw that Vilas sold fish and Sakal got a job in the firm. The various activities have been classified into three main sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary sector includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry farming, mining and quarrying. Manufacturing is included in the secondary sector. Tertiary sector includes trade, education, health, tourism services, insurance, etc. The activities in this sector result in the production of goods and services. These activities add value to the national income. These activities are called economic activities. Here, national income refers to the money value of all the goods and services produced in a country during a financial year. In other words, the final outcome of all the economic activities of the nation during a period of 1 year valued in terms of money is called national income. So these activities add value to national income. These activities are called economic activities. Market activities and non-market activities are two parts of economic activities. Market activities involve remuneration to anyone who performs, that is, activity performed for pay or profit. These include production of goods or services, including government service. So here remuneration means money paid for work or service. So children, market activities are those activities which are performed for pay or profit. These include production of goods and services. For example, laborer works in construction of building. Now non-market activities. These are those activities which do not include any financial transaction and done without any intention of earning money or profit. Example, crop grown by a farmer for his own family. So non-market activities are the production for self-consumption. Thank you.